Hi guys, welcome to 404 Techies. In this video, we are gonna focus on what is dictionary in Python. So dictionary is one of the collections in Python. It can be created using the dictionary name equal to, and then inside curly braces we should have the keys and the corresponding values. Okay, so the each key is separated from its value by colon. Okay, so key colon value, and each key value pairs are separated by commas. Okay, so this is one key value pair and then comma, and second key value pair and comma, like that. The whole thing is enclosed in a curly bracket. So this is how the dictionary can be created in Python. We shall talk about the properties of dictionaries in Python now. So in Python 3.5 and in earlier versions, the dictionaries are unordered, meaning the key and value pairs will not be in sequence order every time. If you go and print this dictionary, the 10 will not be printed at first. Maybe the 30 or 20 may be printed at first. So the order would be it will not be in the sequence position. So from Python 3.6, the dictionary is made ordered. Like how you are inserting the data into the dictionary, the same order the data would be printed. Okay. The second thing is dictionaries are indexed, because in dictionary the key values should be always unique, and we can say the keys or indexes in the dictionary. So we can using indexes, using keys, you can print and get the values. So we say that since all the keys are unique in dictionary, we say the dictionaries are indexed. And third point is dictionaries are mutable, meaning you can change the data inside the dictionary. Using the respective key, you can update the data or add new data into the dictionary. The fourth point is no duplicate keys are allowed in dictionary. Even if you have duplicate keys, only the last updated key would be taken. Okay. And the final point is it allows heterogeneous type, like you can have all the data types inside a single dictionary. Like you can have a list on tuple and float or one integer as key values, and then that can be taken without any issues. Okay, so these are the properties of dictionaries in Python. If you see here, we have two dictionaries. The first dictionary is D and second dictionary is Dic. Okay. In first dictionary, we have all the keys as integers, okay, and all the values are single strings. And in second dictionary, we have all the keys are strings and all the values are list of strings. Okay, so the first and foremost property we saw is after Python or 3.6, the dictionary is made ordered. So I'm gonna print these two dictionaries and see the order of how it is getting printed. Okay, D and print Dic. I am using the Python 3.8 version, so it should be ordered by default. Let's run this. Let's run and see the output. Okay, so it is in the same order that we have initialized the dictionary. So the same thing got printed without any order issue. The second property we saw is the dictionaries are indexed. As we said earlier, all the keys act as indexes for dictionaries. Okay, so we can retrieve the data from dictionary using the keys. So that is actually we called as indexes. So in the second dictionary, I'm gonna get the fruit value alone, apples and orange alone we have to print. Okay, so using keys we are gonna print the value, the respective value. So I wanted the values apples and orange, so I'm gonna retrieve this value using its respective key. Okay, so dict, open and close square bracket, inside that, inside single quotes, we are gonna give the key name. Okay, let's see. So the apples and orange alone got printed. If you want any one data inside that list, we have to mention that indexes. Here apples will be in 0th index and orange will be in the first index. So since I wanted orange, I am giving 1 here. Okay, so oranges alone got printed. So this is how we have to get the data using indexes in dictionaries. Okay, and third point is it is changeable. you can change the data inside dictionary. So I want to add one more fruit to the dictionary dict. So what I'm gonna do is, so dict fruits, okay, dot append. What I'm gonna have is grapes, okay, and I'm printing the dictionary. So what I've done is I wanted to add one more fruit, grapes, to the list for the key fruits, okay. So if you see here, apple, oranges and grapes is added. If you wanted to add one more key value pair to the dictionary, means you have to use the update function. So I want to add one more key and value pair to the dictionary, so I'm using dict.update. Now that's equal to inside list cashews. Okay, I should not have this single quotes. Okay, cashews, what else, almonds, okay, and printing dict. Okay, the new key value that we updated in the dictionary, it's got added. So nuts, cashews and almonds. So all the data you can change, whatever the data you want to change, you can change it in the inside dictionary. So it is called as immutable. And fourth point we say is no duplicate keys allowed in dictionaries. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have one duplicate key here. So 10 mega, 10 mega, I'm gonna give twice, 10 mega. Now 10 money. So for 10 I have assigned two values, but the keys are duplicate. Let's see what is the value we're getting in our first print statement. Okay, in first print statement, as I said earlier, only the last inserted value into the dictionary is printed. It got, the previous one, whatever we provided, is ignored. Okay, 10 is updated with money. Okay, so it will not throw any syntax error, but only the last updated value would be taken. Okay, and fourth and final point is, it allows heterogeneous type. Okay. So you would have here I'm gonna have an integer, one string key, and third is on float 0.2. okay, 0.2 I'm gonna give here, also float value I'm gonna give. .63 64.6. okay, so let's see what is getting printed in dictionary. So it accepts all kind of data types inside dictionary, so that it won't be any issues in getting printed. Okay, thank you.